Okay, so hi, my name is Tyler, and we're gonna do something I already did before, but apparently it didn't record correctly. So I'm gonna try this again. Now, of course, we've only been on YouTube for around a week. Um, it's not like you're actually hearing me because not many people watch my videos. It's basically me. But on the slight chance you come across my videos, I thought I might as well become somewhat worse than Sam Pepper right now on YouTube. And let's talk about, well, on the perhaps chance that the bus you're on ends up being hurled right off a cliff and going perpendicular to a parking lot, which is what it's saying right here. You know, hopefully I didn't really have to explain that out. Well, then you know exactly what to do. First, you find the equation of the plane, and then you brace yourself for the fall. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Well, so you do this right now, and you continually do this over and over and over and over and over again, and then you will get really good at it that you will become practically immortal. It's, well, for at least for this particular case. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna suspect you're done. And I don't have my notes, so if I get it wrong, fuck it. No. Let's white. Yeah, that looks great. And brush flow. Yeah, maybe a bit bigger. Yeah. If you haven't watched my videos, it's probably like everybody. Well, then my handwriting is shit, so get used to it. Okay, so let's say this is the plane, yeah. Or should we say parking lot? No, plane. Not the Scooby-Dooby dads that fly into things. No, a plane, like a one-side thing. You know what I'm talking about. This thing. Okay, so let's say there's a point, and let's say this is the point 1, 4. What? Oh, wow, it's so convenient. Okay, so we know this has a point in the plane. The plane has a point. That's this. And we'll say the bus, like this, is n, conveniently, in vector, which is perpendicular to the plane. And my crappy right triangle sign, like that. See? Okay, so we know that n vector is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, so if that is true, well, we need to make it more general. So we'll find another point. Let's put it like, I don't know why it became southern. Probably because I actually don't know. Point XYZ. Hopefully you can read that. Yeah, sure you can. I'm gonna assume you have eagle eyes. So let's have this as a vector. Yeah? Vector. Because this is the final and this is the initial, we have to do final minus initial. So what do we have to do? Exactly. We do exactly that. I'm sorry. So, this is point, oh, oops. Let's name this, man, that looks like stupid now. How should I put this? Okay, let's say this is 0.0, okay? So I'm going to rewrite my script right now. This is 0.0214, and this is XYZ. So hopefully you get what I'm trying to say. So P0P, which equals, so this is P naught, so this is a final, so final minus initial, that's X minus 2, because we landed over here, Y minus 1, can tell I'm very excited, and Z minus 4. Oh, can't see the 4, it's cut off. Oh, you can read that. Oh, 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 taskbar, get out of the way. Piss off. Okay, P0P. So now that we got that, now n vector is perpendicular to every point over here. Every vector possible to be made out of this plane, so it's also perpendicular to over here. Okie dokie, all jokey. If you can't really see why, this is, there's 3 dimensions. So this is just one random vector intersecting a plane. Hopefully you can think of that well. Now, P0P, and I should probably have emphasized before, has to be in point normal form. So if you didn't do that, well, sorry, yeah, I guess you're gonna crash and die because, you know, you didn't even put it in point normal form. I don't make the rules, man. Okay, so what we want to put it in is P0 times, dot product. So P0P dot product n, which is the components of n times this. And let's say, for sake of argument, this is oh wait. No, what I'm simply doing. This is 3, 2, 5. I completely forgot about that, just like everything else I did in this video. So, we're trying to get in this form. But, kind of already have, so let's simplify it. So, x minus 2, y minus 1, z minus 4, and we dot product that, and we put 3, so you can see the numbers. Hopefully the Bandicam watermark isn't in the way, which it probably is. Yeah, I had a long day. Oh, pissing and moaning, that's the best thing I do. Okay, so this equals x minus 2. Well, let me do this right. 3 times x minus 2, and add this. 2 times y minus 1 plus 5. It's not a 6, that's a 5, because I know my handwriting. Hopefully, z minus 4. And all this equals 0. Oh yeah, did I mention this has to equal 0? Right, because if it doesn't equal 0, then it's not perpendicular. And the recording stopped. Ugh, God damn it, Bandicam. Well, either way, we got done. So, yeah. I'll circle this, maybe, and we'll zoom out. If I can. There we go. There we go. So now we put it in point normal form, and now I can go to sleep. And hopefully I actually recorded my voice. Because what would you do without me? Goodbye, and don't kill yourself.